Rice cooker control boards are tough to assemble. Mixing 90-degree terminals, short lead safety capacitors, and continuous flag terminals slows down your line and hurts quality. Meet the Southern Machinery S7020. Watch our 4-head synergy. Heads 1 and 3 precisely insert bulk 90-degree terminals. Head 2 handles short lead capacitors with an active clinching function, bending the leads instantly so they never fall out during wave soldering. Head 4 cuts and inserts continuous strip 187 flag terminals. Whether using bowl or reel feeders, our 0.015mm vision correction ensures perfect alignment. Built-in force detection stops instantly if a hole is blocked, protecting your PCB. Replace 4 to 6 operators with one machine. Upgrade your THT line today. Visit smthelp.com.